fucking text. Ain't saying nothing about the same shit. Put this shit on, do not disturb. Bitch, I'm in the studio.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is May 18th, and I got 2 days left until my son is supposedly due. So to prime, I'm going to use Smashbox Photo Finish Oil-Free Foundation Primer. And just gonna, ooh. I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color Sandalwood 6W1. Okay. So what look are you looking for? Like, what are you trying to achieve? So I don't know what type of eye you want to do. Can I see your dress? Yeah, definitely. I could come and help you. I'm just about to walk out the house with just foundation on. Okay, girl. Well, just I'm about to pack my stuff up now, and I'm gonna come help you. So, hey guys, I am back after 4 hours. Literally, it is 6:45. I left around 2:45, 2:50. So after 4 hours, I am back home. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I am going to be using the Morphe 350 Numero Dos palette. And I am going to go into the color Orb. And I'm going to use that as a nice little transition color. Then I'm going to go in with this color Fire. Ooh, fire. Now this is the red that I needed the other day. So we gotta do a cut a crease. We're gonna cut our crease. I'm gonna take this No, we're not gonna cut our cliff. No, we're not gonna cut our cliff. But why?
Damn
I don't
sure
take
eat
this
the fuck
one.
out that Chipotle though.
Oh yeah.
Slay the fuck out that shit.
I'm gonna color ruby. The color ruby. We're gonna take the color ruby, and I'm just gonna put this on my lid. It just shimmer.
You better quit playing.
I'm gonna go in with the color chestnut. And I'm gonna work that on my outer V to smoke it out and give it some depth. I'm sorry, my inner V. I said outer.
So you want me to
I'm gonna
put
take the color Wiz, which is just black, and I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna kind of create a lower line. I'm really liking this palette, like really liking it. I'm going in my inner corner with that color Pure. All right, now I'm going to do my face. In the inspiration of this being a fiery, smoky eye, I'm going to incorporate some smoke, some real smoke. All my Frank Ocean fans out there, Gray Matter. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and the inspiration will have to be fire, smoke, flames. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This look I call house fire. I was inspired by like an actual fire, what comes from fire, smoke and everything, which is why I did the gray look, gray lip. Y'all, don't tell me y'all don't have sinuses and y'all allergies messed up, y'all don't stick tissue up your nose.